Hey guys, welcome to a special week. For my videos this week, I'm not just going to be doing different topics. I'm going to be covering 3 or 4, whatever I'm going to do this week, 4 different types of how to make money online. So people always ask, sorry about that, just something on my screen there. Okay, people have always asked, how do you make money online? What's the easiest ways to make it? Like, people are thrown up between selling stuff on eBay and buying stuff in and different stuff. But I'll give you 4 ways that requires you, like, you don't have to spend a thing online. Okay, the first thing is AdSense, like I'm using right now on my videos. So what AdSense does is, it basically puts a video over there, or there, yeah, over there. Puts an ad over there and puts an in-stream ad into your videos. So basically, every time someone clicks on an ad, the publisher gets paid. I'm not allowed to say, but you get paid for every click. And of course, AdSense is good and bad. One good reason is it's very reliable, and you can put it on your YouTube channel, Blogger, and everything, and it's simple. One thing that happens is that if there's basically any sense of threat, for example, if a friend clicks on your link about 1,000 times, AdSense will immediately kick you off and you won't get any money whatsoever. So if you're trying to get money online from AdSense, what I suggest you do is get big the proper way, because Google aren't stupid. That if you start clicking on your ads, they're obviously going to know. And if some of your friends, like, they start clicking on your ads, they'll know also. I don't know how, but somehow they'll know because of the same location and the ratio. For example, if your friend clicks on it 10 times and 2 people from America and 1 person from Australia click it, that will mean that, like, it's just close to your address and shit, and it'll mess everything up. So this is the first way to earn money online all this week. I'll keep updating. So I want you to comment below, what are your ways to make money online, if they are. Now, making money online is very simple these days, and a lot of programs don't even need you to put money into them. So tomorrow,